So, it's nice to have you guys here today. We're gonna be doing some random miscellaneous stuff. The Miata cart. Not exactly sure what it's gonna be yet, but I'm sure by the end of this, you guys will know what we have done.
Why? Hi guys, by the way, Pasha here. Today we're working on I'm not gonna explain it, I'm just kidding. Caleb's talking out there to his camera, so I can't cut anything and I have to wait. It's so hard being a YouTuber. Makes me so angry. After a little bit of time, we managed to cut this off. It's now kind of cut more precisely, I should say. And it's not all rounded. It's all squared, just like the rest of the car. Since I cut out the little pieces as you guys saw, and I don't feel like doing them today because notching will take quite a while and bending the pipe and welding everything together. I will do it this weekend. It's still going to be in this video, but right now what I want to do, which won't take too much time, is unbolt the seat, get the seat out, get the handbrake, yeet stick, hydro, whatever you want to call it. I want to take that out. I want to take the drive shaft out. Steering shaft, not drive shaft. Steering shaft. Jesus Christ, I can't even speak. And once I do that, we can start sanding the car down to be able to primer it and eventually paint it, which is literally like the next step we're doing. So it's really exciting. I'm really excited to paint it. Everything is basically welded, so all we have to do is just clean it up. Alright, as you guys can see, we took our time to take everything out of the car. It's basically stripped now. There is no seat, there is no steering wheel, back to the way it used to look without all that stuff. All the parts that we took out are right here. We have the steering shaft, we have the pedals, we have the hydro on the seat, and the seat itself. It's basically ready to be sanded down. Besides making a bash bar. Most of it is really small stuff that just needs to be done. As always, I keep saying that every single freaking video, and I apologize for that, but this process takes a while. I'm done with it for today, but I am coming back and working on it more and more. So this is not for the video. Chill, it's fine, I'm making it longer. I'm really excited to paint the car and see how it turns out. Because right after we paint the car, it's going to be basically done, and all we're going to have to do is drop the engine, wire it up, turn it on, and it'll drive. But it's my thoughts. It might be much more than that, but feel free to help out with the build. Look in the description under this video. There's a GoFundMe page. I have had the GoFundMe page for this build since I announced the build. Just to help, if anyone wants to help. You do not have to do that. Watching videos is more than enough, so if anyone wants to, if anyone feels any extra, you guys can donate there. Well, we're back. 2 weeks later. The last clip you saw was from 2 weeks ago. And yes, I don't wear a hat today, and it's just how it is. Anyway, today, the goal, as always, is to finally get the car ready for freaking paint. I want to get everything prepped. I want to get everything prepped for the paint, and in the next video, I freaking promise you guys, we're painting this thing. Why? Because I'm not releasing this video until it's completely ready to be painted. It's not gonna happen. I'm not releasing this video. If you're watching this video right now, next video, we're 100% painting it. I'm tired of doing all these tiny little things that don't make any sense, or they take so much time. So I just bashed it with a, well, axe, because I don't know where the hammer is and I don't want to look for it. I bashed it so it's like bent over this. It's kind of whack right here, but I'm gonna weld it, I'm gonna seal it, and once we paint it, it's all gonna be okay, but that's what I did so far, yay! This one is kind of put in there. Obviously it's sticking out, I'm gonna trim it a little bit and make it look nicer, hopefully. So there's that. Also, it's hot, okay? It's that time of a year when I'm gonna complain the entire, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 months that it's hot. It's really hot. And if you haven't noticed already, it's pretty hot. Well, I've been sending the car down for as much as I could for today.
Oh, sure. That's what you've been doing.
I was.
You haven't been.
And then Caleb showed up and got me drunk.
Drinking?
Caleb showed up and we are going out doing things, so I will be back tomorrow with another video. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna continue this video. I'll see you guys in a second. And we're back. Next day. Let's continue working on the cart. And I got a new hat. I'm super pumped about it. John is here. Caleb is here. Everyone's here. We're gonna chill. Say hi.
Hi.
Sending the car down. I did decide to do the rear bash bar just because after doing the stream yesterday, a lot of you guys said I do need a rear bash bar for safety purposes and just to finish up the look of a car. So I guess I'm gonna do it because we have the whole day. Let's get going. So we've been working on the cart for quite a while now. We've been trying to sand the cart down and clean it up. Matthew's out here helping me out. John is making weird moaning noises out there as well. Caleb's been working on his own project. And I actually did this back plate. I welded it in. I still need to weld the bottom of it, but it doesn't exactly line up. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. And after that, as I said, I'm working on a bash bar. I already notched these 2 pieces. So they're gonna go like this. And there's gonna be a bash bar going across. That's gonna be fun. Oh, hey, Aaron. You got us more brews?
Yeah.
All right,
Brought you
4th
some
one of the day.
gifts.
Which one do I get? Seagrams?
If you're a big pussy.
All right, give me some man drink. Hand me man drink.
Hold on.
What do you
I
think?
don't know what any of these are.
have gender.
Spotted cow, that's a... Man, golden
Give me
monkey,
something you
that's a
think
good
I'm not
one.
gonna be a pussy for drinking. There you go.
Golden
So we're
monkey's a
drinking
good
this 4th bottle within what, 2 hours? It's not bad. But yeah, the cart's going really well. All I have to do is the bash bar. That's what I'm gonna be working on, and then we're just gonna send the whole car down. Are you excited, Aaron?
Oh, I'm excited.
Don't tell him the color, but do you think the color I picked is really good? Is it gonna be good?
Yeah, a little basic.
Wow.
Not gonna lie.
Did you call
Wow.
basic by a girl?
What's that supposed to mean, Caleb?
I don't know, actually.
Guys, don't drink a lot of beer. Drinking a lot of beer can cause severe drunkenness. It's bleeding pretty much a lot.
Caleb, I hope you watch all the way through that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he is a first aid person. It's true.
Yeah, it's very not pleasant.
Yeah, does it hurt?
A little bit. Got my skin really deep and really bad.
Is it deep?
Yeah.
Doesn't look too bad. Through your finger like this. And kind of squeeze it on there.
Yeah.
Like hold it how I am. So it stays down.
I'm holding it like.
Okay, and I'm basically just gonna tape over it. Spread your fingers.
So I got hurt. My voice cracked. I got hurt.
Let's try that again.
Alright. So I split my finger's skin open by hitting my finger against the car. I think I'll be okay. It does look pretty messed up. I saw a lot of blood, which was kind of fun, but I'm gonna take a little break. Hopefully sober up. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Keep filming.
Yeah, no, I haven't stopped it.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what.
Hey, you can make them like in your thing.
Watch. But hey, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Well, I hope you guys are still watching. No. Well, I hope you guys are still enjoying the video. I'm gonna take a little break, as I said, and I'm gonna get back to working on a kart. I'm really excited to get the bash bar done and send the whole car down, so I can primer it tomorrow. We actually got all the primer and everything we need to primer the car, so pretty pumped about it. So guys, today we kind of cleaned up the car for the most part, and we got injured twice, but you know, it's fine. We had fun. I'm gonna call it a day for today. I'm gonna go home and finish editing some other videos, but I'll be back tomorrow. Unfortunately, as of now, I'm thinking we're not gonna be able to primer the car tomorrow, but good thing is you're not supposed to let the primer sit over 2 days. So we're gonna primer the car next weekend, and the day after we primer it, we're gonna paint it. So you're gonna see the whole video of that. As of now, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna finish the rear bash bar tomorrow morning. I'm gonna come here and I will get the whole car prepped for the paint. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope my finger heals pretty quick, because I don't know if you can see, but that cut is, it's pretty deep.
Ooh, you shine on that?
Do you want to see it? Did you see it?
No, I already saw it. I don't see it again.
I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but basically I sliced that open. Luckily the bleeding stopped, but I might need stitches, but I'm not doing it. I'm sure it'll heal up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It'll be second for you, but we'll be back and we'll work in the car. Thank you still for watching, and I love you. Just remember that, I love you. So there's that. I'm gonna finish this video here because all the paint prep is not very interesting to watch. We did finish the bash bar. We got these stickers off. We sanded most of the car. I didn't really film most of it just because sanding isn't that exciting to watch. But next video, as I said and mentioned earlier, you guys are gonna see this car painted, hopefully. Everything is done, paint prep is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Subscribe if you're new. I love you all so much, and stay positive.
Damn, that fucking hurt.
Did it fall on your foot?
Yes, right on my fucking toe.